Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about designing a room with indoor plants. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Greening up your home with indoor plant design is a growing trend in interior design that not only adds beauty to your space, but also helps to improve your health and well-being. Studies have shown that indoor plants can help to purify the air and reduce stress, making them a great addition to any home or office. There are many different types of indoor plants to choose from, each with their own unique characteristics and benefits. Some popular options include peace lilies, snake plants, and ferns. These plants are known for their ability to absorb harmful chemicals and pollutants from the air, making them ideal for use in areas with poor air quality. When it comes to incorporating indoor plants into your home design, there are many different options to consider. For example, you can choose to create a green wall or install a vertical garden in your home. This is a great option if you want to add a lot of greenery to your space without taking up too much floor space. Another option is to incorporate indoor plants into your furniture and decor. For example, you can choose to incorporate plants into your bookshelves or use them to decorate your windowsills. There are also many different types of planters available, including hanging planters, wall planters, and standing planters, so you can choose the option that works best for your space and design style. When designing your home with indoor plants, it is important to consider the lighting needs of your plants. Some plants require a lot of sunlight, while others do better in low light conditions. Be sure to choose plants that are appropriate for the lighting conditions in your home, and provide them with the right amount of light and water to keep them healthy and thriving. In addition to the health benefits, incorporating indoor plants into your home design can also help to create a more relaxed and peaceful atmosphere. The natural beauty of plants has a calming effect, which can help to reduce stress and improve your overall sense of well-being. Whether you are looking to add a touch of green to your living room, bedroom, or office, incorporating indoor plants into your design is a great way to enhance your space and improve your health. With so many different types of plants to choose from and so many different ways to incorporate them into your design, there is no limit to the beauty and benefits that indoor plants can bring to your home. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a room with indoor plants for your home.